let's see how this looks. Cheese sandwich. Wow! Look at this, so you guys. It's So right now behind me is Harajuku. I'm going to be kind of vlogging for today and showing you guys what the different shops are looking like. It's not as crowded as yesterday, but we're going to see what we can find today as far as thrifting wise. So come along with us. This was our second time shopping in Harajuku, and I wanted to find something for Kevin and also look for a few more pieces for myself. And we also stopped by a sock shop called Tutu Anna, which they always have a 3 for $10 deal, and I probably shopped here around 10 times during my entire trip, which was awesome. Next, we visited a shop called Spins, and if you guys were following me on my Instagram during this trip, you saw that I went here a lot, and since they had a couple of sales going on, we decided to go ahead and look in there. Okay, so I want to get Kevin something from here really quick, maybe a sweater or something. Let's see what they have. So I just finished getting Kevin's gift. I hope that he likes it. I got him a couple of things because they were in the men's section on sale too. So yeah, let's see if he likes it. Lighting is so good too. It's so nice and bright now. It really is. Now we're gonna go continue our shopping elsewhere. We definitely want to go thrifting today, so let's see if we can find the street that has all the thrift stores in it. Alright, so we might try the rainbow grilled cheese right now. Just saw a sign for it over here. And so I've really been wanting to like try it, but I saw it in Chris' news video, I think like a year ago. I'm gonna try to film it for you guys on camera and I'll let you know how it tastes in a second. So last time I was here 2 years ago, I didn't see this colorful food stand, but we ended up stopping by it and we saw that they had colorful grilled cheese and ice cream. It was pretty crowded and it looked like most people were getting the ice cream cones, but I really wanted to try out the grilled cheese this time and see how it would taste. I didn't get that bored waiting in line just because the food stand itself looks so interesting. There's tons of pink and cute random stuffed animals and other toys. So they just gave me my number right now. I'm just kind of waiting for it. I'm gonna try and see if it's good. Alright you guys, so I just got the grilled cheese and it took forever to get, but it's finally here. And this was around, I think, $10 for this. So let's see how it looks. So I'm gonna try the grilled cheese sandwich. Wow! Look at this, so you guys. It's crazy. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, so I'm gonna just wrap this around here. I'm gonna put this back in the paper.
It smells good. Is it good?
Over top? It's really juicy.
The grilled cheese is only like $1 more than the freaking ice cream.
And look at how much cheese there is in this.
There's a ton of cheese in there. Wow.
Yum. Wow. Every single bite is like a different color.
That's cute. Something.
It kind of tricks your mind. You feel like it's going to be sweet.
Yeah, but it's savory.
Yeah. I think it's eating the other half right now.
Look how pretty it is. Wow. Real constipated.
And that was the grilled cheese. Yes, you guys, we've been living the life today. Okay, so we just got to Shimokitazawa and we're about to go find some thrift shops, basically to go shopping in. We wanted to look for thrift shops for a long time. So this is what we're gonna walk into. Wish us good luck. Alright, so these are like the thrift shops basically on this entire street here. There's like a row of them. And so like whenever you walk down, like almost every single like shop is a thrift store, which is really cool because in LA we have that in Burbank, but I feel like it's just not as good of stuff. Like this, I see a lot of variety in different styles and different fashions and stuff like that. So definitely if you're coming to, I think it's Shimokitazawa, which is the area that we're at right now, you can definitely see that there's a lot to look for. And right now we're actually at the end of the street for thrifting, so yeah. So we didn't have any luck finding any outfits that day on the strip, but we ended up going the next day and we did find some thrift shops in Harajuku that were a lot more affordable and that had, I guess, stuff that we were looking for. So that is it for this vlog. Make sure that you guys go ahead and follow Christina. It's Christina and Grace on Instagram and Christina Grace on YouTube. So make sure to go check her out and I will talk to you guys in the next video.